Hello guys, this is my presentation sa aking performance media. Kinda confusing on how I will introduce myself, but here you go.
Kilala niyo ba si Maslow? Oo, siya lang naman yung gumawa ng theory na hierarchy of needs. Maslow proposed that motivation is the result of person's attempt at fulfilling 5 basic needs.
Ano-ano nga ba ang 5 basic needs? They are physiological needs, safety needs, love and belongingness, self-esteem, and lastly will be the self-actualization. Here in front of your screen, you will see the pyramid of hierarchy of needs. Pero guys, ito yung question ko sa sarili ko. Am I really motivated? Let's see.
The first one will be the physiological needs, or should I say social needs. Under these needs, we have a food, water, sleep, shelter, air, and medicine. I think I have this. Alam niyo na ba na ang favorite kong pagkain ay sinigang at mahilig ako sa tubig. Although malakas ako sa coke, pero hindi malilimutan mag-water. Pagdating siguro sa tulog, medyo bitin gawa ng school at ng trabaho, pero mulat pa din. So, physiological or social needs, check. The second one will be safety needs, or should I say, unlock survival mode. This includes emotional security, though sometimes nagbo-breakdown ako, pero manageable naman. Financial security, dito ako gaano hirap gawa nung ako lang naman ang nagpapaaral sa sarili ko. And it's hard but nagagawa ko naman thankfully. Law and order. There are people telling that law is made to violate. Pero iba-iba yung pananaw, di ba? So, what do you think, guys? Social stability. I am living at Muntinlupa naman wherein Muntinlupa may disiplina. I'm currently a student of PL Moon where values matters kaya maayos ang social stability ko. Health. Pagdating siguro dito may pagkaligwak but still doing my very best to be healthy. Nasa survival mode nga tayo. Second one, survival mode, done. Third one is love and belongingness, or should I say, rapport. Example of this includes friendship, intimacy who gives trust and accepted me, the people who are receiving and giving affection and love. So I ask my special someone or my friends to complete this sentence. Di ko alam kung ako ay matutuwa o matatawa sa kanilang mga comments. Love and belongingness, rapports, or should I say tropar, done. Second to the last is esteem, or should I say you can do it. The need for respect, self-esteem, and self-confidence. When I was a kid, I used to be an introverted person kasi palagi ako nasa gilid tapos tahimik lang. Then unti-unti akong lumalabas sa shell ko. Nagawa ko magsayaw, sumali sa tula, mag-direct ng short film, mag-actor, magsalita sa harapan, kat ano-ano pang mga bagay na tingin ko noon ay di ko magagawa. So you too, I know that you can do it. Esteem or you can do it, done. Finally, the self-actualization, or should I say, congratulations. Self-actualization needs are the highest level on Maslow pyramid of needs. These needs include realizing your potential. This pertains to me of my peak of my limit. Self-fulfillment. Siguro na lang kung yung mga ideal self ko noon is na-experience ko or na-achieve ko, yun yung self-fulfillment ko. Self-development. Remember, life is continuous learning and I am continuously developing and evolving. Sabi nga ni Netero sa Hunter x Hunter, this self-actualization na lang siguro ang di ko pa gaano nadidiscover, pero time flies. Balang araw, masasabi ko na sa sarili ko na, congratulations Cyrus, you are your ideal self na. Back to the question, am I really motivated? Yes. Yes, I am really motivated. Maybe because of you. I am motivated because I am existing. I am motivated because I'm in the right path and position na masasabi ko na soon, congratulations self, because you do it. With the help of your rapport or your tropa, you manage to live in this survival mode. In a world of lack of social needs, you manage to live. Because above from the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, sa pinakataas, mayroong Diyos na sumasabaybay sa bawat akyat mo sa triangulong gusali. God is always there. Tulog ka man, gising, nakain, napasok, nagtatrabaho, nagbabantay sa bahay, nag-aalaga ng anak, kapag mag-isa ka, kapag may problema ka, kapag may sakuna, kahit saan, kahit anong oras, kahit kailan, there is only one who's guiding you to the top. Thank you, Maslow, cause I think you gave me a wholesome explanation of who I am. Ikaw ba? Are you motivated?